Welcome back to today's video. If you're wondering why I have been MIA, it's because I just gave birth. I'm a new mom. That is why I have been away these few months, but still you showed love and support to this channel and I am super grateful. If you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing. My name is Gloria and on this channel I create fragrance review content. Okay, if this is something you like, kindly stick around. Let's have some fun together. And today's video is about unboxing and first impression. I love unboxing fragrances. Okay, today I'm going to be unboxing the really hyped Angham and Victoria by Lattafa. So let's get to it, shall we? So I'm going to be starting with Angham by Lattafa. This fragrance was released last year. This is said to be duping Burberry Goddess. There is another one that is duping Burberry Goddess by Missing Alhambra. That one is Athena. I have done a review of that, but Burberry Goddess also on this channel. You can go and watch those videos if you have not seen them. Okay, but today I'm going to be unboxing Angham by Lattafa and see what the hype is about. I want to know if this smells better than Goddess, because the hype around this perfume is so much. A lot of people, I've not seen anybody that don't like Angham by Lattafa, so I hope I'm not an exception. I hope I like it too, although I like Burberry Goddess and also like Athena, so there is a chance that I will like this also. This is what the bottle looks like. I will just spray out some of it into the box just to clear out the straw. I'll go right ahead and spray it on the strip. Oh wow, oh wow. Now, the minute I sprayed it, I just got that DNA from Goddess. Okay, it smells so similar in the air. No difference at all in the air. This perfume smells really amazing. This perfume smells amazing, no jokes. There's something fresh and sweet at the same time with this perfume. This is a very pretty scent. It is a vanillic perfume. Whew. This perfume is worth all the hype. I know this is a first impression, but when I say it, I say it. When I smell a perfume that is a banger from first sniff, I can tell. Even though sometimes the perfume will come around and surprise me, but this one, it's sweet, it's vanillic, it's powdery, a little bit powdery. This is very beautiful. If you're a lover of vanilla scents, you have to have Angham by Lattafa. Now, I don't even mind if you don't have Goddess. I don't mind if you don't have Athena. Get Angham. Angham is beautiful. And now I want to compare Angham. Angham, Athena, and Burberry Goddess. Stay tuned for that video because I have to come back and do a comparison video. Because what is this? Please don't even tell me that this Angham smells better than Goddess. I don't even want to believe it. I don't want to believe it, but in my brain right now, that is what I'm feeling like. That is what my brain is telling me, but I don't want to believe it. And immediately I sprayed this perfume, it filled the whole space where I am right now. Filled the whole space. That means this perfume is going to be projecting really good. It's going to have very beautiful projection. For first impression of Angham by Lattafa, I think I love it. I love it. Let me not say I think, I love it. This is the second bottle of perfume that I am unboxing in a long time that I am so in love about, that I am so in love with. The first one is Her Confession by Lattafa. I have not been able to keep that perfume since I unboxed it. Her Confession by Lattafa is a beautiful scent. Now if you're looking to start a affordable perfume collection, Her Confession must be in your picks. Angham must be in your picks. Okay, I think I'm hyping these perfumes too much, but really these are nice smelling perfume, and they are very likable. Like, they are very easy to like. Yes, that's the right word. They are easy to like. This is just a beautiful interpretation of Goddess. I will not say more than that. Let's move on to the second one. This is the second one. It's Victoria by Lattafa. This also is a new scent, and yeah, this is what the box looks like. And I'll just go ahead and unbox it. Okay, this is what the bottle looks like. I like the bottle. It's looking classic. Classic is like timeless pieces. Okay, this looks like a timeless bottle. Bring this bottle 20 years from now, it will still be beautiful. Let's go ahead and spray this perfume on strip. Give it some time. Wait, I'm not smelling anything. Is it my nose or is it because of the Angham? See, I was expecting that this perfume is like another vanilla type of scent, but this is not a vanilla scent. This is a fresh, lemony type of perfume. Oh, I think I'm going to like this perfume a lot because I'm a fresh perfume girly. I like fresh scent. Sometimes not overly fresh, sometimes overly fresh. It depends on my mood. I did not expect this to smell like this. I think, let me spray this on skin and see what it smells on skin. Whew. This smells like a lemonade in a good way. The lemon in this does not smell bitter. It kind of smells sweet. This is beautiful. It's a different type of beautiful. It has this tartness to it. I like it. I'm surprised by Victoria. Okay, so I will not say I have not heard so many people talking about this perfume and classifying it as a lemon pie, but I didn't think, when they say lemon pie, I was expecting lemon, a lot of vanilla, a lot of caramel, a lot of all of those things, but with a little bit of lemon to just wrap everything up. That was what I was expecting, but this is different from what I thought it would be. But I like it. It's different, but in a good way. I like this perfume. If you're a lover of fresh scent, you're going to like Victoria by Lattafa. You know what? I think I want to layer this perfume with Angham by Lattafa. I want to layer them and see what it gives me. This smells so divine. If you have Angham, you have Victoria, do yourself a favor and layer these two scents together. You can wear these perfumes to work. You can wear Angham for date nights. You can wear it during the day. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. Depends on you. Victoria, on the other hand, will be perfect for spring and summer. Okay, everyday wear. You can wear this Victoria to the gym. If you're a gym girly, you can wear Victoria to the gym. If you're always looking for, fresh, clean, elegant scent, that will complement your appearance every time, then Victoria by Lattafa, you should lay your hands on this one. Lattafa, they have really upped their game when it comes to making amazing perfumes, right? I have smelled some couple of Lattafa perfumes this past month, and I must tell you, there has not been one that I did not like. Okay, these two perfumes, they are just divine. So for this, Angham is a 10 out of 10. For first impression, 10 out of 10. This one, 10 out of 10. So these two perfumes, they are 10 out of 10. And this is bottle, not plastic. If you're looking at it, you think it's plastic, but it's not plastic. It's actually glass. This one as well, of course, it's glass. Okay, so Angham by Lattafa, Victoria by Lattafa, two amazing finds for me. Amazing. They were not overhyped. People have hyped these two perfumes so much so that I was almost tempted not to get them, because I'm like, what is the hype about? But I'm super glad I got them, and I am going to be enjoying these two scents. Okay, so that's that about this unboxing video. Thank you so much for joining me on today's episode. I will see you in my next video for another mind-blowing review or unboxing, whichever one it will be. Remember, I love you. If you have used any of this perfume and they did not do it for you, kindly tell me in the comment section and tell me why they did not do it for you. Till I come your way again, my name is Gloria. Keep living your absolute best life. God loves you. God loves you. God loves you. Okay, live your best life every time, and remember, this life is very fragile. So do the best you can do with the time you have in your hand. My name is Gloria. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.